Hey, sixth grade, welcome back to library. Today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020, and it is our last class before Passover break begins. So today I wanted to do something a little different, a little more fun, because you guys have been working really hard on the content that I've been giving you, so great job on that. Today your lesson is called The Hidden Worlds of the National Parks. So it is going to be our first virtual field trip, and it will be under the topic of virtual field trips in your Google Classroom. It will also be posted in the stream when class begins. Your first step is to watch the video, which you're doing right now. And also notice this is due tomorrow at 1 o'clock because I didn't want to carry it over through Passover break. So your other assignments, I've given you 2 days to complete them, but this one will be due tomorrow. It's very simple though, so it shouldn't take you long at all. After you've watched the video, I'd like you to go to this website. And this is what we'll be exploring today. So first thing I'd like you to do is to play the video. I'm going to skip it for now because I want you to be able to watch it on your own.
Our national parks are Wonderland.
After you've watched the video, there are 5 different national parks for you to choose from. So I personally love national parks. I think it's one of the coolest things about our country. I've been to Rocky Mountain National Park, Carlsbad Caverns, Zion, Arches, Grand Canyon, Grand Teton, Yellowstone, Canyonlands. So I've been very fortunate to be able to see a lot of the national parks. I would love to be able to go to all of them in my lifetime, so that's a goal that I have. But hopefully you guys have had a chance to go to some as well. If you haven't, here's a virtual way to do so. What I'd like for you to do is to choose one of the national parks that you are most interested in. So I'm going to choose Hawaii Volcanoes. I've never been to Hawaii, but I would love to go. And it will have a video for you to watch. I'm going to skip it.
This magnificent Hawaiian.
And then also it will have a ranger up here in the corner that will be giving you some information as well. Each of the national parks has a different experience. This one is exploring the lava tube. And once you've looked at the national park, your assignment is to complete this Google Doc. It's very simple, just your name and your homeroom teacher's name. And then here's the website again if you want to click on it from here. The name of the park that you chose, remember you're just choosing from these 5 parks, okay? You're only choosing from the ones on this website. And then the location of the park, that would be the state that the park is located in. 3 facts you learned about the park. This will be in the video that they show you when you click on the park or from the park ranger. And then the final question is an opinion question. Would you be interested in visiting this park? Why or why not? So that's all I'd like you to do for today. Once you finish that, I'm sure you'll have extra time. Make sure you turn it in to me. In Google Classroom, it gives you the option to turn in the assignment, and most of you have figured that out. But just in case you haven't, that's a reminder. And then if you have time left over, you can choose one of the other parks to explore. They're all super cool, and they all have something different to offer. Or you can read a book that you have at home, or you can work on homework for another class. Any of those things are fine with me. So I hope that this is fun for you guys. I'm excited to see what parks you choose and some of the facts that you learn about the parks. I will have the Zoom link open. So if you'd like to jump on Zoom, if you have a question, or if you just want to say hi, I'd love to see you. I'd love to say hey and see how it's going. I'll have the Zoom open from 1:30 to 2. So I hope that you guys have a wonderful Passover break if I don't talk to you between now and then. And I hope it gives you some time to relax and enjoy time with your family. So that is all for now, and I'll see you after break. Thanks.